Hi children, good morning. Listen, in this link we are going to see the worksheet. Everyone have the worksheet book, right? Take out your worksheet book, okay? In worksheet book we are having worksheets for computers only. There is no worksheet for GK and value education. So already we completed term 1 and term 2, two chapters. So in worksheet also we have to complete the term 1 chapters, how many worksheet is there, that we have to complete, and then term 2 book also, how many chapters we are having worksheet, we have to complete that, okay. One by one we will complete and we will go. First take out your worksheet book and then open page number 60. Okay children, see, open page number 60. See here, on which date you are seeing this link, that date you have to write here. Here see, some details you have to fill. What details you have to fill? First write your name. Next write your class, grade 3. Next write the subject as computer. Date, on which date, don't write this date. On which date you are seeing this link, that date you have to write here. Okay, now one by one bit we will go. Okay, what is the first bit children? Given below are the pictures of input and output devices. Identify them and write I for input device and O for output device. Okay children, number 1. What is this? Yes, it is a printer. So it is a output device. One is output. Second one, see, what is this? Keyboard. Keyboard is a input device. By using the keyboard we will give the input to the computer. Next one, see, monitor. Monitor is also a output device. Next, fourth one, joystick. It is a input device. Next, fifth one, light pen. It is a input device. Next, sixth one, speaker. It is a output device. Then seventh one, mic. Mic is a input device. Then eighth one, webcam. Webcam is a input device. Okay children, now A bit we completed. Second, B bit, see, identify the names of software as system software or application software. Here see, 10 softwares are given. We are going to identify that software is a whether system software or application software. Okay, listen, first one is what? Windows XP. Windows XP is a system software. Okay, yes children, first one is what? Windows XP. Windows XP is a system software. Second one, see, Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word is a application software. Okay, application software. Next, third one, see, Unix. UNIX is a system software. Third one is a system software. And then what is the fourth one children? See, Linux. Linux is also a system software. Don't put like this, ditto, you have to write the system software with the spelling. Okay, fifth one is what? MS Paint. Yes, MS Paint is a application software. Application software. Next, turn the page, next page. What is the sixth one? Yes, Mac OS. Mac OS is a system software. Right there, system software. Sixth one is system software. Next, seventh one, see, MS Excel. MS Excel is a application software. Seventh one is a application software. Eighth one, see, Pinball. Pinball is also application software. Eighth one is also application software. Ninth one, see, iOS. iOS is a application software. Application software. Then Windows 10. Windows 10 is a system software. Windows 10 is a system software. Okay children, again I will repeat the same thing. See, Windows XP is a system software. Microsoft Word is a application software. Unix is a system software. Linux is a system software. MS Paint is a application software. Mac OS is a system software. MS Excel is a application software. Pinball is a application software. iOS is a application software. Windows 10 is a system software. Okay. Next, come to the bit C. What is there in the bit C? Write the difference between two types of plotters. Here we are going to write the difference between drum plotter and the flatbed plotter. Okay. I will write the difference. Just note down in your C bit. Okay. By seeing the board. Now listen children, difference between the drum plotter and flatbed plotter. See here, drum plotter consists of a roller or a drum. Okay, next, flatbed plotter consists of a flatbed table in the shape of a rectangle. Okay children, this one you have to write it in your worksheet book in C bit. Now come to the B bit. Write I for input, P for process and O for output for the following example. First example, see they given the washing machine. So first one, see cleaned cloth are there. So clean clothes they folded and they kept. So it is the output. Middle one, see it is input. See here children. First here this is input because it is a dirty shirt. Then it will go on process. Then it will come the output. So I, P, O. Next one, see this one. This is the input and here process and then this output popcorn. You are able to see, right? Okay. Input, process, output. Here you can see. This is input and then this is process and this is output. Okay children. Input, process, output. By seeing this you have to complete the D bit. Okay. Next. Come to the next page. Yes. Page number 62. You are having only A bit, B bit, C bit. Okay. Worksheet 2 we will see in the next class. Okay. Now we completed the worksheet 1. By seeing this you have to complete your worksheet 1. Worksheet 2 I will send in the next link. Okay children. Thank you. Bye.